Chief guests, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Ishaq Fatma and I would like to speak over the importance of knowledge. You know that knowledge is a very necessary for all everyone, because if you have knowledge, your life is very good and better. Education begins from your home, because your mother teach how to make your career, what is your personality, what is your attitude. But we will go to school and madrasas and colleges and we provide education. Your teacher will become to a smart person, improve your personality, improve in your attitude, improve in your facilities. In Quran Majid, Allah also said that هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. It means that educated and non-educated person will never be equal, because educated person know what is right and wrong, and uneducated person will not know what is right and what is wrong. He do wrong one and he said I am right, I am also right, but he do wrong thing. So I will say importance of knowledge in our life and society. First of all, I will say importance of education in life. So educated in life is starting from reading and writing. First step of education is reading and writing. A person will good reading and writing, if educated will be very better and best. Education is a thing that he will also now sold that, because education is in your own personality, is in your own attitude. Education, importance of education in society, we can spread in our society and make our society best and better, because in our society educated person is involved, your society will always be clean. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in hadith talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli muslim. It means that education is very important to provide all persons. If he is boy and if he is a girl, there is no difference. Education is necessary for every person, through a boy and through a girl. So the government of every country is the pressure all of them to educate and spread the education. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
नंबर मिला करके पोजीशन दी गई है, तो दर्जे फौकानिया व मौलवी में निशात फातिमा अव्वल पोजीशन, निशात फातिमा वो आए और सेक्रेटरी साहब के हाथ से इनाम हासिल करें। दर्जे फौकानिया 2 पोजीशन खदीजा फातिमा। दर्जे फौकानिया 100 पोजीशन आयशा परवीन 100 पोजीशन।
सामने इधर
तानिया के बच्चे अल्ताफ अनवर, तौसीफ आलम 100 पोजीशन, ज़हरा फातिमा पोजीशन, ज़ेबा परवीन।
सामने देखो,
अदनान समी,
देखो सामने।
रसिया परवीन दर्जे फौकानिया,
सामने।
शफक फातिमा, अलीशा इरफान,
सामने देखो।
खुशी परवीन,